Libra, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH at ito ang inyong weekly reading for December 30, 2024 to January 5, 2025. So if you are interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Paki-check nyo na lang information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. And please subscribe to our channel to show your support, like, share this video, comment na rin kayo kung kayo ay naka-resonate, and special thanks sa mga hindi nagsiskip ng ads. Thank you sa inyo. That really helps our channel to grow. Okay, so Libra, let's see what's up with Libras. Imagine. Wow, so kayo ay magiging very creative. May mga plans na kayo, may mga goals kayo, pangarap na you want to make it into reality, no? Na maisakatuparan ninyo. And you are prepared. You are prepared for that. Inaalam mo na kung ano yung mga kailangan mong gawin. So, kumbaga hindi to yung suntok sa buwan na bahala na si Batman or ano. This is about an organized na siya, na goal mo. Kasi pinaghahandaan mo talaga paano mo ma-achieve yun. May mga plano, may mga steps kang fina-follow. Hindi lang to basta wish, but you are also taking action, putting things into work, getting things done. And yung iba, may mga research na ginagawa, pag-aaral. Doesn't have to be na sa regular school. Baga pwedeng online to. Or doing your own research. Self-study. Some of you are also changing your appearance or the way you carry yourself. Maaring ito na yung nagta-transition ka sa isang bagong ikaw. Oo. Na may mas maayos na pananamit, or you are going to dress up for who you really are. More authentic. Let's see what else, Libra. You have the 10 of Wands. Marami kayong kailangan gawin bago matapos ang taon. Puro wands to. Wow. Page of Pentacles and the Ace of Cups. So I see you really preparing for something, preparing for a new job, preparing for a new business na mangyayari next year, early next year. So you're really doing the work. You are really making things happen for yourself. I also see you protecting your dreams, protecting your plans. So, pwedeng medyo nananahimik muna kayo, no? Hindi kayo nag-share ng plano nyo about your life, about, alam mo, walang mga updates, no? Because you just keep it to yourself. Maaring na-realize mo na the more na nag-share ka ng nangyayari sa buhay mo, the more na nasasabotahe yan ng ibang tao dahil sa kanilang mga inggit energies. Okay? So, there is an opportunity for you for a new job, a new career na gustong-gusto mo. This can be a new business as well. So, pwedeng ito yung what you are passionate about. And hindi mo hahayaan na may makialam dito or may pumigil sa'yo. You are protecting your creativity. You are protecting your work. You are protecting your energies. And also, talagang ipaglalaban mo to. Whatever it takes. Kumbaga, maaring ito ay parang once in a lifetime na opportunity sa'yo na ayaw mong lumagpas sa'yo. So, gagawan mo ng paraan. Example lang naman. Gusto mong maging sikat na singer or gusto mong sumali sa contest. But your parents are not supportive of that, na dinidiscourage ka nila. So, for you will still go with the audition, lahat ng proseso, ilalaban mo. Kahit kailangan mong lumaban ng mag-isa. So, very brave ang energy ninyo and willing kayo na gumawa ng mga sacrifices para matupad yung inyong pangarap. Okay, let's see what else. Libra. Uy, wow, o 'di ba? Worth it naman 'to, Libra. Ituloy nyo lang kasi ma-achieve nyo 'yan. You will achieve success, you will be recognized, you will have this power within you. Some of you maaring meron din kayong makilala, no, na soulmate connection, or if you are already connecting with someone and alam nyo na mahal kayo ng taong to, you will parang mas lalo mo pang lalaliman yung relationship ninyo, yung bonding ninyo together. You will also enjoy the good things in life. So pwedeng you will experience accommodations na social or shala or yung mga fine dining restaurant, yung mga experience na yan na kung saan mararamdaman mo yung luxury, okay? Kasi yun daw yung isang way para i-manifest mo yung gusto mo, yung abundance, yung success is be in the environment na kung saan doon mo siya mararamdaman. Okay? So example, pupunta ka sa mga high-end na mga shops or bibili ka ng gamit na masasabi mo na high-end siya, to experience it or to feel it, no? Para yun yung mas ma-manifest mo. You will also be working with others. May mga supporters ka. This can be your loved ones, family, or people that you work for, your friends, who believe in you, no? Na talagang naniniwala sa iyong kakayanan. Yung iba may mga travel opportunities rin. Let's see, your money, career, finances, o education. So, yung iba sa inyo, meron kayong kakayanan na magturo sa iba, mag-share ng knowledge and skills ninyo. If you're a teacher, a trainer, a coach, a mentor. So, pagdating sa phase ng career path mo, trabaho mo, business, may growth siya, pero medyo mabagal lang. But, kasama yan sa pagsisimula, no? Kasi pag nagsisimula pa lang, syempre, parang it takes a lot of hard work, no? But definitely there is growth. Makikita mo siya slowly but surely. So sa love life and family, if may anak ka na, you will focus on your children. If you're single, you will have fun. You will have fun like a kid, no? To have fun with the person that you love, or kasama yung mga taong interesado ka na makasama or nag-e-enjoy ka na makasama. You will bring out the child in you. Maari ring meron kang kailangang kausapin na or pakinggan na isang tao na nagsasabi ng sentimiento niya sa buhay, or maaring humihingi ng advice sa'yo. So people start to heal the moment they feel heard. Okay, so maaring ikaw to na you will share your feelings or your thoughts with someone, and mas makakagaan yan sa loob mo. Or pwede ring reversal yung role, someone will share their feelings or their thoughts sa'yo, and you are there willing to listen, na makakatulong ka sa taong yun. Okay? So that is your reading, Libra. Thank you so much. Good luck. See you again.